What we were told at committee last month is that within 15 days we would get a new substantial completion date. So have we got that now?
We do, but you know, we've had 19 of them so far. So what I'm much more interested in is what day are we getting into the hot block, because that's the material date. If we can take that at the appropriate clinical standard, that's the material date for how quickly we'll be able to commission it.
Do we have a date for when you're going to get the hot block?
Nothing that I can stand over. There's possibly the beginning of May, but that was supposed to be the middle of March. So I'll get it. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you as soon as I get it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So right now we don't have an overall substantial completion date.
Not the one that I'm going to stand over, because there's been 19 before.
Okay. So then, are you saying to me you do have a date, but you're at the point now where you don't want to?
Not necessarily. I mean, it's a movable feast.
Okay.
So I don't, you know what I mean? I don't see, what I want to see from BAM is not dates. I want to see people here finishing the job at the appropriate standard so that we can take it over.
Assuming then that you do get access to the hot block next month, that puts you 7 months' time right in the middle of winter. Mm-hmm. And I know you've discussed before the issues that there are, and that like international evidence suggesting that that's a really dangerous time to be moving.
It's more complex because I did test that international evidence, and I'm not quite as sure that it's an absolute no-go, but it's certainly true to say that it's during the respiratory virus illness season. But there are examples, and NCHI have been visiting other hospitals to see how that has been done, including during the winter. It's obviously easier to do it in the summer than in the winter, but we'll do it when it's safe and when it's right.
Realistically,
but the earliest we can do it is 7 months after we get the hot block.
Okay, so realistically, we are looking at around this time next year at the very earliest, aren't we?
I don't want to say, because I want the hot block tomorrow, you know, so we'll see. We'll open it when it's safe, when it's right. I'm not going to open it at a standard that isn't clinically appropriate, and I'm not going to open it if it's not safe for the children to move. And I think they're pretty reasonable parameters.